Hello everyone. Let's start with Paneer Tikka bread coins. I'm taking a piece of coal and keep it on a gas to heat it up. Meanwhile, the coal is being heated. We will take a quick look at the ingredients. Grated processed cheese, small sized paneer cubes, chopped capsicum, chopped onion, pizza pasta sauce, oregano and chili flakes, and cheese slice. Turmeric powder, garam masala, red chilli powder, and some bread. Firstly, I'm taking some paneer cubes, some turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and now I will mix it. Now I will make some space for a bowl. Now I'll put the coal piece in it. Now I will add a drop of ghee and cover it quickly. Now I will keep it aside and cut some bread into round shape using a bowl or a cutter. Now one more bread. Now I'll take one round piece and cut it again using a smaller bowl or cutter. Now as you can see, it is like a ring. Now I will spread some pizza pasta sauce on the round piece. Now I will put one cheese slice. Now I will cover it with the ring like this. Now I'll put chopped veggies, capsicum, onions, now let's take our paneer. Wow, it smells so nice and tempting. Now I'll remove the coal. Now I'll mix it again so that the smoke mixes in it. Now I will keep these paneer cubes in it. Now I'll cover it with grated processed cheese. Now I'll put some oregano. Now our coins are ready for baking. Hope you all liked my dishes and enjoyed me watching me. Thank you all for the encouragement.